I love how in Airsoft, the most simple and cheap Airsoft guns always have so many warnings on the box. But once you get to more of the dangerous, really expensive Airsoft guns, it doesn't even make any sense. They barely have any warnings. Like this warning. That is why you should not have your Airsoft gun in public. May be subject to criminal penalties of up to 1 year and 1 day imprisonment. According to the box, it shoots 325 FPS with .12 gram BBs. And as you could probably tell through the screen, this is a very light pistol, only coming in at half a pound. Yeah, this thing is super lightweight. You could throw this thing so far. I love the different features they advertise as selling points for these cheap Airsoft guns. It's hilarious. One of the features they try to sell you is that it has a removable magazine, which apparently is something super special.